We're going to do salmon with char siu, with stir-fry vegetables, and then we're going to serve it with crispy noodles on top. So
good. So this is another one of the ready-to-use ambient sauces, relatively new to the business.
That's it. Yeah.
Okay. And again, the same principle applies. It's got multiple uses outside of just marinade.
That's it. Yeah. So this is char siu is the Chinese barbecue sauce, effectively. Okay. So I'm going to marinate the salmon. Someone's already been at it. Okay. We're going to marinate the salmon up in that overnight if you can. If not, a couple of hours, something like that, in the fridge.
Fantastic. And do you know what the English translation of char siu is, chef?
I'm reliably informed it means roasted fork. No, I've done it again.
Fork roasted.
Fork roasted, yeah.
Can we keep that in?
Fork roasted.
Yeah.
So yeah, we'll slip that in and chill that.
So what else are you going to serve the salmon with?
So we're going to do it with stir-fry vegetables. So I've got some purple sprouting broccoli, I've got some pak choy.
Brilliant.
I've got some spring onions, and then we've got our own Asian slaw mix, but obviously I'm going to throw that through the...
Okay. All from our friends at Fresh Direct?
That's it, correct.
Fantastic.
So we use that. So trim them.
So again, in a normal commercial kitchen, this prep will be done in advance.
Yep.
Check on, and then literally it's a case of just stir frying it, cooking the fish off, building it, etc.
Sit, correct, yeah.
Okay.
We'll add the Asian slaw mix, turn the heat up, and we'll add a dribble of the barbecue sauce. Just add a tiny dash of water just to deglaze it slightly. Those vegetables a little bit of steam. That's that done. But for the garnish on top of this dish, we're going to do crispy rice vermicelli noodles. Just going to throw them into the fryer. They're going to puff up. The worst bit about this is cleaning the fryer after. Right, get them up quick. Drain. So salmon's had probably about 5-6 minutes in the oven at 250, 300 degrees. Really caramelizes that Chinese barbecue sauce all over the salmon. Let's bring it together and put a few of those little crispy noodles at the base of the dish, and those delicious vegetables in there. Just salmon.
It's a frozen.
Yeah, it's frozen
Scottish.
Yep. Garnish her up. Put a few little seeds over one half of the salmon. Give it a little bit of a crust.
I see you're heavily influenced by your Asian travels. Or?
Yeah, I love Asian food and love Asia in general. Yeah.
I mean, it looks great. It looks very healthy as well. Not wishing to label it as healthy, but it looks so, and it certainly looks like a dish you'd want to eat, certainly spring into summer.
Just crunch a few more of them over the top. And that's it. That's our stir-fry salmon char siu.
Fantastic. That's lovely.
Nice. Get some of those vegetables in there. Delicious. Yep. Nice.
You know what I think to slightly elevate that dish?
Go on.
Just squeeze a lime.
Squeeze a lime. Yep. And a beer.